Assam's flood turned deadly. 3,000 succumbed in the deluge in last 2 decades. 926 people died during the BJP regime. Is the government's responsibility limited to compensation? The flood situation in Assam worsened, claiming 8 more lives, bringing the total death toll to 66. The death toll in this year's flood, landslide and storm in the state stands at 78, with 66 succumbing in the deluge alone, while the water level of major rivers continued to flow above the danger mark. Over 22 lakh people across 30 districts, with 68,432.75 hectares of cropland inundated. But who is to blame for the long-standing deluge? The Congress government has not paid attention to the flood problem in Assam for the last 15 years. The Manmohan Singh government did not pay heed to the flood problem in Assam. The Arun Gogoi government also ignored the long-standing problem. As a result, around 1,500 people died in Assam floods during Gogoi's 15-year tenure. Perhaps in response, the people of Assam were forced to take politically decisive decision in 2016. But even if the government at the center has changed and BJP came to power, the flood problem remains unnoticed. If reminded about their promises, BJP government responds with negligence, says declaring a national disaster does not solve the flood problem. But is the BJP paying attention to the flood problem in Assam? In the last 5 years, in the name of flood relief, the state has sought rupees 10,785 crore. However, the center has provided with only rupees 294 crore. This shows how serious the Modi government is about the flood problem in Assam. Not only this, another alarming fact has come to light in the data of the Union Ministry of Jal Shakti. Like the Congress, the BJP continues to see the death toll from floods in the state rise. Official data shows that 68 people have died in floods so far this year. In the last 9 years since the BJP came to power, 926 people have lost their lives in floods. Against 68 people this year's flood, 36 have lost their lives in 2016. In 2017, 160 people died, 53 in 2018, 103 in 2019, 150 in 2020, 42 in 2021, 181 in 2022 and 78 people in 2023 have succumbed to deluge. What has the government been doing even after so many people dying annually? They have announced 4 lakh compensation to kins of deceased, as if providing financial assistance or compensation is the only responsibility of the central and the state government.
রাষ্ট্ৰীয় সমস্যা ঘোষণা কৰিলে বা নকৰিলে সমস্যা ঘোষণা কৰিটো লাভ নাই সমস্যা ঘোষণা কৰিলে মই কি পাম তাৰ পৰা খালি এটা বাৰে বাৰে যেতিয়া ফৰেনৰ পৰা মানুহ আহিব কম্পিউটাৰ মাৰিব দেখিব এটো ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় সমস্যা কোনো অসমত নাহা হ'ব সমস্যা বুলি কলেতো নাহিব মানুহ
আমি উপযুক্ত ক্ষতিপূৰণ দিম আমি ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টে এইবিলাক আমি আজিকালি অনলাইনত তেওঁলোকে ডিস্ট্ৰিক্টৰ পৰা সেংচন কৰি অনলাইনত দিয়াৰ লগে লগে আমি ডাইৰেক্ট আমি বেনিফিচিয়াৰী ট্ৰান্সফাৰ যোগেদি পেমেন্ট কৰো ডেট হলেতো আমি 4 লাখ টকা 48 ঘণ্টাৰ ভিতৰত আমি দিব পাৰো ফ্লাড ডেট হলে
The parties that came into power in Assam, be it Congress or BJP, it has become that no one has the will for a permanent solution to the flood problem in the state, as the flood situation in Assam worsened this year as well, claiming numerous lives. According to the Assam State Disaster Management Authority, 28 out of the state's 35 districts remain inundated, affecting a staggering 22,74,289 people across 3,446 villages with 68,432.75 hectares of cropland inundated. But when the people of Assam will see a ray of hope remains a question. News Desk Report, Any News.